Have you ever just wished you had fresh basil right at your fingertips anytime you want it? Well, today we're going to do more than just grow basil. We're going to unlock the secret to a supply that literally never ends. Seriously. Get ready to turn your kitchen counter or your windowsill into your own personal, super fragrant herb garden.
I know, it sounds a little bit like magic, right? But trust me, this is real. It's a simple gardening trick that is going to completely change how you see those little pots of herbs at the grocery store. We are about to take one single plant and turn it into a non-stop harvest machine for pesto, pasta, you name it.
Okay, so before we dive into the how, let's get properly introduced to the star of our show, the amazing, the aromatic, the one and only basil plant.
So here's a little clue that hints at just how awesome basil is at growing. It's part of the mint family. And if you know anything about mint, you know it likes to, well, it likes to grow. A lot. That genetic superpower, plus the fact that it's a tropical plant, means basil is basically built to thrive, as long as we give it what it wants. Every great garden adventure starts with that first plant. And for our basil empire, we've got 3 different ways you can kick things off. So you've got options. If you're a traditionalist and you love the satisfaction of seeing something sprout, you can totally start from seeds. If you want to get a head start, grabbing a cutting from a friend's plant is a great way to go. But for my money, the easiest, fastest way to get going is what I call the supermarket hack. It's a real game changer. Here is the big secret. That thing you buy at the store that looks like one plant, it's not. It's actually a whole bunch of tiny individual seedlings all crammed into one pot. So by gently, and I mean gently, teasing them apart, you're not just giving them space to grow. You are instantly multiplying your basil investment by 10, maybe even 20 times. All right, you've got your little army of basil plants. Now it's time to set them up in the perfect home so they can get big and strong. And for basil, a happy home really just comes down to 2 main things: lots of sun and the right kind of soil. You have to remember, basil is a sun worshiper. It needs at least 6, maybe even 8 hours of good, direct sunlight every single day. So find the sunniest spot you have, that south-facing window, that bright corner of your patio. That's where the magic is going to happen. Okay, this is super important. Basil is a bit picky about its feet. It hates, and I mean hates, sitting in water. That leads to root rot, which is bad news. So you need a pot with drainage holes and some light, fluffy potting mix. And here's a pro tip. Use the finger test. Just stick your finger about 1 inch into the soil. If it comes out dry, it's time to water. If it comes out with dirt sticking to it, just leave it alone. And now we get to the really cool part. This is the technique that's going to take those single stems and turn them into a dense, crazy productive basil bush. It's all about a very specific kind of haircut. So what is this big secret to a basil plant that just keeps on giving? You might think you have to be super gentle with it, but actually it's the opposite. It's all about being brave and giving it a good prune. The real magic is hidden in plain sight. Look closely at the stem. See those little intersections where pairs of leaves grow out from the main stem? Those are called nodes, and you can think of them as the plant's secret power-up buttons. So here's what you do. You find a main stem, you go down to a set of leaves, that's a node, and you snip the stem right above them. When you do that, the plant's energy, which was going up to the top, gets redirected. And guess what? It sends out 2 brand new stems right from that spot where you cut. You literally double your growth. And that's not just me saying it. It is literally exponential. You cut 1 stem, it becomes 2. You cut those 2, they become 4, then 8, then 16. You can see how this quickly turns a few skinny stems into an absolute basil bush. It's incredible. So this is the big takeaway. I know it's tempting to just pluck off a few leaves when you need them, but please stop doing that. It just makes the plant grow tall and weak. Be brave. Snip the whole top of the stem off. You're not just harvesting, you're telling the plant, hey, get bushier, and it will thank you for it with so much more basil. Okay, so you have mastered the magic snip. You know how to make your plant bushy. Now, let's talk about how we complete this quest and create a truly never-ending cycle of fresh basil. So you've got to play a little defense. Keep an eye out for little pests like aphids. Making sure your plant has lots of sun and good air moving around it helps a ton. And if you do see some bugs, a little spray of soapy water usually does the trick. Oh, and one more thing. If you see little flower buds starting to form, pinch them right off. You want the plant putting all its energy into making tasty leaves, not flowers. And now, for the final trick that makes this whole thing infinite, you can literally make new plants from the plant you already have, for free. Just take a nice healthy cutting, Pull off the bottom leaves and stick it in a glass of water in a sunny spot. In about a week or so, bam, you'll see little white roots start to grow. Once they're about an inch long, you can plant it in soil and you've got a whole new basil plant. You can do this forever.
And there you have it. You are now fully equipped. You know the secrets. You can take one single plant from the grocery store and turn it into a thriving, endless supply of fresh, delicious basil. So the only question left is, with all this amazing basil you're about to have, what's the very first thing you're going to make?